Now, if you go to iTunes, you see at the bottom My Car, the silver triangle and 3 silver circles. I'll just turn it down, but there's a tick by My Car. That's the system in here. So we'll click play on here, and we'll go to the radio, click media, and you see there it's on my phone. But if it's not showing Bluetooth, if you click source, it gives you, say you've got a USB in or SD card, something like that, you just select Bluetooth. This is on my phone. We'll turn it up. I'm controlling the volume from my iPhone, so when I turn this up, that's it. That's my phone playing through the audio system. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.